Hello, I'm Elton Hammond, an engineer and woodworker with a keen motivation to design good products for myself and for others. This is the EKHO mobile workshop that was designed and built as a very refined prototype, easy to move around in your garage and share with the other items that you may need to store in your garage or workshop, like most people. It's very easy to move around, even though it is very heavy. One person can handle it quite easily because of the 5 casters. It has a very nice outfeed table on the back side here, which is held in place by some folding brackets. It sets up very fast and goes away very fast to make it compact to store. It's got some nice safety legs and an outfeed table with a latching hinge and magnets. So you've got a very safe thing to store heavy loads of your woodworking projects as they accumulate and put a lot of weight on the unit as you're working with it over the hours, days, and maybe weeks of a project. I've put a little LED fence light on the back that's held in by some rare earth magnets here. Give good illumination to your work when you're setting up things for accurate cutting. It's held in place by two rare earth magnets that allow it to be released quickly. And you can see here there's a quick release vise on the end. It's like an extra pair of hands. This is invaluable for people working alone on woodworking projects. The 5 heavy-duty casters make a huge difference on making this thing move around quickly on a shop floor so that you need to move it in and out of place. There's 4 heavy-duty easy lifting clamps to secure the unit. They bring it up off of the casters to ensure that it's safely locked in place when you're working on your projects, whether you're using the router table, which you can see there with the blue insert plate, or whether you're using the saw and pushing through heavy loads of wood that need some serious cutting. The clamps will ensure it doesn't move. I've got some custom clamping blocks on both fence ends here that allow us to place brass bench dogs and brass clamps from places like Lee Valley Tools. These things are invaluable in locking down your work in any location when you're doing some hand planing or cutting or drilling. They make sure nothing will move, and the 3/4 inch holes are spaced out uniformly to give you a nice location for all types of work. There's a shelf on the end that's removable and can be hung on your wall. It's meant for storing your router bits and other measuring tools that are convenient at a workbench. And so save yourself costly errors and hundreds of hours of design time because we've done it all for you. You can build your own by ordering them at this website.